next 5 minutes 10 minutes we'll finish it up. Okay, so let's start. First, to make the circle, this character is a Naruto. Name is Naruto. The basic shape is like this, and this, okay, like this. Just to make it like this.
Hey, do you see this?
Yeah, I see. Wow, it's amazing. That's great. Okay, so this is a basic of the character Naruto. Okay, this is a basic. The basic I do first with the circle. Create a circle, and this is a jawline. And here, exactly middle of the circle, if you divide it, middle of the circle, if you divide it, here is the eyes. Okay, so create the eyes over here. Here's the eyes, and after the eyes, top of the eyes, is they are wearing this hairband. This is a hairband. Okay, and create this nose. Here to here is middle. This is middle line. Here you can create the nose. Okay, and then you are make this the mouth. 1, 2. See, this is the Naruto with the side face. So basic is done. The basic is done. Okay, this is a character name is Naruto, and here the that much bigger the hair. The hair is very fun. It's so bigger. So make it here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this. Okay, this is the hair. Big, long, big hair. Okay. So this is the characters which I want to show you, and I done it. I just make it with the black marker. I don't know where my marker. Yeah, I got my marker.
Sir, but, sir, wait please, sir. I'm not done the basic step.
Oh, okay. Just wait. I just make it. 1 second. Sir. Okay, I wait for minutes. Okay, don't worry. The lining. So I create that. Nose, eyes, eyebrow, So I create his eyebrow. And I create here the ear. Character here. Okay. We're making the side characters first time, so I do show you. The here is a very soft line. Okay. Like this. Okay, this is also characters of Naruto. You can create this Naruto. Naruto. We are just design this. We're erasing this all the red color. We can make it as Naruto. Oh, I can make this Naruto. Yellow go. This is brown. Brown. And the here also yellow. We are here using this yellow. And this is color that the trace color is Prussian blue and bronze sienna. This color also Prussian blue and bronze sienna, same color. letter says Naruto. We are making some setting.
So is it over?
Yeah, I just make some shading of Naruto, some backgrounds. I just make the second tones, okay? This is over. So all those tone, I just make the background. Okay, this is Naruto. We just make the second tone and finish. Okay, just 2 minutes. First I make the second tone of the dresses. So we make little dark color. Create the second tone. We create the second tone. And I create this second tone of here, the body.
So is the drawing over?
Yeah, it is not over yet, just 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta, I make finish this is. Okay, 2 minutes I are doing this. Be patient. I make this is a second tone. Here, here. Okay, just few second tones I apply. It looks good after that. Okay, when you are creating the second tone, then looks good. Okay. Here also when doing this drawing, make sure apply the second tone. Then it looks great. The last but not least, it is a Prussian, this blue color. Eyes. Okay. Like this. Yellow. Okay.